Ready,
we
ready,
out
ready.
here. We outside. Hi guys. You're welcome to my channel. Oh guys, I'm always excited. Like when I have a guest in the house, I'm always really excited. It's your girl Vimasi, and I'm here with my brotherly, classic king, classy dynasty. What's up, Okpo? Say hi.
I'm Kaale Joe, also known as Classy Dynasty.
It's plenty. So today I'm going to be doing the brothers tag video. As you have seen, I did a sister tag, and I just like, let me just do a brother tag. You guys get to know the family. I have two brothers, by the way, so like the other one is not available because it's supposed to be in this video, but we move right now, so hopefully I bring him to the channel soon enough. So tell me, are you excited to be on my channel?
Yeah, I'm excited. Very excited.
It looks like, I don't know, I'm always pursuing my siblings. I was pursuing my sister, and I pursued this one too to come to the channel. Will be giving me time, like let's go. Finally,
we celebrities, we don't really have time. You know, we are always busy.
Doing what? As a student? Student celebrity. Okay, without further ado, let's jump into the video. So, what's our age difference?
7 years, I guess.
First of all, I'm the first and he's like the last born, so I think the age difference is quite much. You understand? I have baby face, so so I think like 7 years difference, right?
Yeah,
it's a lot of years.
Yes.
What's the favorite thing about each other? What's the favorite thing about me?
To be very honest, my favorite thing about you is the fact that you always turn up when it comes to our birthday.
Aww.
Our birthday, yeah.
I always turn up when it comes to my birthday. How do I turn up?
You give the best gifts,
yeah,
the best wishes, everything. You're always around, everything.
Okay. I'm feeling cool. I think my favorite thing about him is we kind of like the same thing sometimes. Like he's another part of me. Like we are both into fashion, we are both into social media, you know. We are both like we have like a lot of similarities, so that's my favorite thing about him. And we like the same celebrity. Same celebrity.
Yes.
So that's my favorite thing about him. So favorite thing to do together. For me, favorite thing to do together, that would be like singing. We both sing. My brother is a singer, so like sometimes we listen to the same music. Sometimes we talk about music January, like when there's a new music out, I'm the one that's going to tell Classy like, have you heard Whiskey's song? So we listen to it together, like, oh, have you heard Joe Boy's song and anything like that. So we're similarly social. So that's like another favorite thing that we do together. We kind of dance together too, like this Teshmole dance. We learn it together. Yeah, that kind of thing. So the favorite thing to do together.
The snaps. We take pictures together. Yeah,
lots of pictures together.
I love taking pictures with my sister.
Periods. That's what's up. What do we have in common? I mean, we've said it earlier. We have one major thing in common, and that is what
we love
Whiskey. We are both Whiskey FC.
Whiskey or nothing.
Whiskey or nothing. Like I feel like my brother is more obsessed with whiskey than I am, but we're both whiskey person. Like don't even come and say whiskey around us. Don't throw whiskey around us. We are going to destroy your life. Like that's on period. So I think that's one common thing we have together. We were both whiskey fans, we were both fashionable, we were both social media savvy, we were both social media persons. We both love to look good, like fashionable.
Yeah, we are both fashionable. Our favorite thing together, Netflix. We both love Netflix, yeah. Jewelry.
We both love jewelries also.
We both love jewelry. We both love music. We are music lovers.
Wow, we are serious music lovers, yes.
Apart from the fact that We love Wizkid's music. We both love music.
Good music.
Yeah, good music.
Yeah. Does he have a girlfriend?
Girlfriend?
Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
You don't have a girlfriend?
Yeah, till
Why?
I have money.
So you what?
Till I have money.
Oh, why do you want to have money before you have a girlfriend?
Bukata and a girlfriend. Bukata.
Ah, this guy is cracking me up. Are we Bukata? Am I Bukata to my boyfriend?
Bukata and a girlfriend.
So till you have money.
Yeah.
So what was it like growing up together?
Interesting. Yeah. Apart from the fact that she's always sending me message.
Hey, you're the last born now.
She's always sending me message.
Oh, you're the last born. Everybody used to send last born message. It's normal. Like my parents send me message all the time. But me, I send him message all the time. Like, you
All
just
the
have
time.
to go. Like,
All the time. All the time. She's always sending me message. That's unfair.
but you cannot even say you cannot.
Even till now. She still sends me message.
So, is it not a good thing? Growing up together, what other things?
The family, everything about the family is interesting. Everything. Funny background.
Yeah, we did have a funny background. In case you want to know, we did have a funny background. But overall, going up together with him was just interesting. By the time we started growing up, we noticed that we kind of like the same things, and it was fun. It was fun. What was our saddest moment together? I think this is for every one of us. Like, it was when we lost our mom. Saddest moment together?
Yeah, saddest moment together when we lost our mom.
Yeah.
So it was very sad.
Very, very sad. Yeah. I think that's going to be the only saddest moment together. We are not planning to have another one in Jesus' name.
Never.
Amen. So what does your sibling think about the most? What do I think about the most? What do you think I think about the most?
Probably money.
Money
And
money.
How to become a celebrity.
You heard it.
My sister thinks how to become a celebrity overnight. She just wants to become a celebrity.
Not like that.
One way or the
not
other.
Not really like that.
She
but
does different things.
Yeah, kind of.
And she's talented.
I am talented.
Yeah. Very talented.
You guys don't even see the fact that I'm talented, though. You will not even know.
Different ways.
I'm always.
She sings. She does almost everything. Yeah.
He thinks about money too.
Yeah,
thinks about money.
Money is essential.
What is your least favorite thing about each other, or what do you not like about each other? What do you not like about me?
Sometimes I think my sister is forgetful.
Kind of. I am forgetful. Yeah.
Apart from that, nothing else. I like my sister.
Okay.
I love my sister.
What do I not like about him? He's always asking me for money. Every 2 seconds, Kaale needs money. Jesus Christ. If you send Kaale money today.
You just said I'm the last born.
Like, let's say you send the money today. Even if you send Kaale like 50k today, next tomorrow, he needs money again.
Last born asks
for
money.
I'll be like, I just gave you money day before yesterday. Kilo day.
Yeah.
He's always asking for money. I don't know if I don't mind if I always have money. I don't mind. I always give. But sometimes when I don't have money, I'm like, oh my God, not again. So yeah, this one is the chopper of my money. Like, no cap. I think maybe I won't say it's the least favorite thing, but I'm just saying that that's something that really bothers me a lot. He likes money.
For money. It's good.
You mean it's good to have an elder sister?
Yeah, good to have an elder sister that gives money anytime you ask.
Who takes the most selfies? Like we said earlier, we both take selfies.
Selfies.
Yeah. Plenty. We both like to be fine. We both like to slay. Yeah, we are both slayers. Who is the parents' favorite?
I guess me, because I'm the last born.
Yeah,
I'm the last born. Yeah.
But I think our mother likes all of us.
They love me.
Yeah, but you cannot compete with last borns at all. They always get preferential treatment to everything.
Yeah.
What they will slap you for, they will pat them on the head for like,
Yes.
well done.
We deserve it.
Ah.
It's ours. We own it.
What does it feel like being a last born?
It's
sweet.
very interesting and sweet. Let's say sweet.
It's so you boys to enjoy very well.
Yeah.
Who is more fashionable?
More fashionable.
I think we're both.
I would say you.
Am I more fashionable than
Yeah, you the female. Female to me, they are more fashionable.
you? Yeah, kind of. But you are also fashionable. Like
Yeah,
we're both
very
fashionable.
fashionable.
Yeah, we're both very fashionable. Like you can judge from our social media. We are trying. Like we don't have money yet to be buying all those expensive. But you know, with what we have, we can dress nice and look nice with it. Okay, so when is your birthday? So first of all, when is your birthday?
February 8th.
We share the same month.
Yeah.
He's February 8th and I'm February 28th. So like we share the same birthday month and our birthday date is kind of similar. He's 8, I'm 28.
I used to wonder how come you are not 29. February 29. February 29.
I was close to 29, Abby.
Yeah.
So I will not have birthday dates.
Just
People
be
used to wonder.
celebrating
So when
our
I
own.
tell them that I'm 20, they'll be like, "Ah,
It
you
means
serious? You're like tiny little bit from celebrating your
years.
birthday every leap year." Yeah. Okay, describe your sibling in 3 words. Describe me in 3 words.
Beautiful. Commanding.
Jesus Christ. Am I commanding?
Yeah.
Like I'm your eldest sister.
Yeah, that's why most time you command respect.
I know.
And let me see. Happy person.
Not exactly always happy, but I always exude happiness no matter the situation. Yeah, kind of. Yeah. If I'm going to describe you in 3 words, I would say fashionable.
Yeah.
I'll say handsome.
That's me.
And I'll say like a nice sense of humor. It's very interesting to be around Classy. Like Classy is a very fun person. Yeah, fun loving. Yeah. Who is more emotional? It has to be me now.
No, it's me.
Are you more emotional?
Yeah.
You think you're more emotional than me?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Like I'm even feeling emotional right now. She's more emotional.
What's going on here?
I'm waiting.
He's not emotional, no. He's just there. Emotional care. So our final question would be, who is your favorite sibling? So who is your favorite sibling?
My brother. My brother is my favorite. I love everybody. I love all my siblings. But my brother.
He's more closer to Ayomde. And I think that's like our more matured sibling. I've said this on this channel before. My favorite sibling is sitting close to me. So this is my favorite sibling. My brother. Class is my favorite sibling because we share a lot of similarities together. Yeah. So I might not exactly be his favorite sibling, but he's my favorite sibling. Alright guys, that's gonna be it on our YouTube channel today. I hope you guys had fun because I had fun shooting this. And please don't forget to like. Please tell them to like the video.
Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And don't forget to leave your comments down below. What does it feel like being a last child? Like, are you a last child? What does it feel like? Are you a first child? What does it feel like? Are you a middle child? What does it feel like? And that's gonna be it. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video, and until then, peace out. Bye bye.